Hello everyone and welcome to Informatica Support Videos. I am Namrata from Global Customer Support team, and today in this video we will learn how to perform the analyst service cleanup in data quality. The agenda of this video would cover the scenarios in which we will be required to perform the analyst service cleanup. This will be followed by a quick demonstration. Sometimes in the analyst log, we see errors regarding the deployed files and folders. When we start the analyst service in the admin console, it keeps on loading and it never comes up. If there are any issues in updating the analyst service parameters, or if the properties and process tab in the admin console are not seen, you will be requested by the global customer support team to perform the analyst service cleanup. Let's move to the demonstration. To start the cleanup activity, we have to initially disable the analyst service from the admin console. If you cannot view the properties tab in the admin console, you can kill the process from the backend. If there are multiple analyst services created on the same node, please ensure that all the analyst services are disabled. The analyst service is disabled. Let's move to the server machine. Log into the Informatica server machine and navigate to InfaHome Tomcat Temp. You will see a folder created with the analyst service name. We'll initially take a backup of this folder. And we'll delete the original folder. Next, we'll be navigating to InfaHome Services, Work Directory, Analyst Service. Here also we'll be taking a backup of the original folder. And we'll be deleting the original folder. Next, we will be navigating to InfaHome Services, Analyst Service. Here, any file that does not have a corresponding WAR file should not be deleted. For example, in this folder, web plugins and shared jars do not have a corresponding WAR file, so we will not be deleting them. We can delete the other files. The WAR files will be used to redeploy the binaries when the analyst service starts up. We have finished the cleanup activity on the server machine. Let's move back to the admin console. Since the analyst service is a thin web-based client, before we start the service from the admin console, we will also have to delete the browser cache. We've deleted the browsing data. Next, we'll have to remove the cookie data. Now we will start the analyst service from the admin console. We have enabled the service. The analyst service is up and running. We have finished the cleanup activity. You can refer to the following KB for detailed steps on the same. Do let us know for any further feedback at supportvideos@informatica.com. You can also reach out to us on our Twitter handle. Thank you for your time.